Alright, today is Wednesday, July 4th. Happy 4th of July to all my friends who celebrate it. Um, it's like 9:20, 9:22 in the evening. Uh, really don't have much of an update, but my garden. Yeah, my neighbor mowed my yard for me the last couple times, but he forgot Rockster's area. So that was like a month worth of grass. And I cut it about 3 or 4 times. If I take my sweeper in there, I bet you I could fill it up 4 times easy. And I still won't even make it, do about half of it. Yeah, I don't know, I'll make it about half of it filled up. But his yard's cut. Uh, since it's been so hot or raining on my days off, my garden has turned into this. So, Sunday night, I went over saw my neighbor, came back and spent about 15 minutes, well, about 30 minutes, weeding a little bit of my garden. Somewhere, I figure about 5 by 10. This is 2 hours of work. When I first started, it was from that little corn stalk, not even that far, out to about here. This was the area I got done in about a half an hour. I came out this morning and weeded the rest of it. I probably pulled up corn, but hey, when I got stuff that looks like corn and I know it ain't corn, it all goes. And I need to water my garden. I got cucumbers, I've got onions. I gotta watch where I'm walking right now. I thought I had I don't even see it now. I have a not a tomato, a watermelon, but I don't see it. I got cucumbers on here somewhere, but yeah, so far it looks like my garden won. So well, the weeds won. So imagine this, what I got done, and I got that still to go. Let me see if I can get all of it. I know I can. Okay, I got from this corner right there to right there done. Now I gotta go from right there all the way over to right about there, which is I got, but once I get it weeded down, I got to pull my water line up, come up here and cut, because he's scared to cut it anywhere near my garden. But that's all right. And I got this little area weeded up. I got tomatoes I got to bring up on sticks. I got to get all my spices uncovered. I got to find my pepper plants, see how they're doing. I'm just afraid to walk in here because it's hard for me to see anything. I just gotta literally come in and get done. So hopefully this weekend the weather's gonna be nice, cool, and I don't even give a shit if it's raining. Well, as long as it ain't drenching downpour. And I can get my garden finished weeding. Hopefully I can get that done and get that up for you guys for this weekend. I'm sorry, but my new schedule, maybe on second shift, it doesn't really give me a lot of time. This week I'm working 10 plus hours. 12 plus hours. By the end of the week, I'll have around 49 hours in, not counting the holiday pay. So Last week I put something like 56, 58 hours in. Week before that I put 64, 66 hours in. They got me doing too much. Well, or I'm volunteering for too much. I don't know which. Okay, but anyhow, I've got to go in. Mosquitoes are killing me. Let me go in and get Rockster here, or I will be in trouble. God, getting bit up, and I'm not even sweating. I gotta find my boy. There he is. Anybody see him over in the corner? See? Let me go over and get him. Yeah, I just missed one. I just moved both the clocks. There's my boy. Yeah, my house is still a pigsty. I'll get it. Just too hot to even burn anything. Say hi, boy. Say hi. Okay. Here. You're not eating your dinner. Okay. Alright, Daddy loves you. Hope you show up. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.